Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the battery on a 2008 Citroen C5 key. Now this key was actually used by quite a lot of different cars in the range around that time, so if your key looks like this, then this will be the method in replacing your battery. So it's nice and easy. All we're going to need is one flat screwdriver and then obviously our hands. So what you'll notice on one side there's just a continuous join where the two halves of the key come together and there's no indent. That's not the side we want, so just flip it over where the key is and where the key ring loop is. You'll actually see an indent just there. So all we're going to do is push our screwdriver in, then give it a quick turn and that lid will pop straight up. So first off, looking at the lid, that's actually where the buttons are. So if you ever need to clean your buttons, you can actually take the rubber out or you can replace them if your buttons are worn like this one. So I'm just going to put this one down for now. And then this is the half that has the key in, and it also has our circuit board for the key. So just flipping that over, you'll see your battery on the underside. And you can just push that out and you'll notice that all of the writing is facing up, so that's the positive side facing up. And I'll just take it out and read the number. So this is a Sony battery and the number is CR1620. Now it doesn't need to be Sony, it can be any other brand as long as it's a CR1620 battery. And then again, just get your new battery. You're going to have the writing facing up, and then slide that back in, and then we're actually going to put it together in a slightly different order. So go ahead and get the lid with the buttons on, and you'll actually notice there's a shape that matches the circuit board, and there's two side tabs. So you just want to line all of that up, get the other half of the battery, push it straight on, and then that should work now. So just go out and make sure you test both the buttons on the car. And then that's how easy it is to remove and replace the battery on a Citroen C5 key from 2008. If you found this video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.